This is a flap disc, and at the center it comes with a metallic washer to improve its strength. Begin by removing the round nut from your angle grinder and ensuring the clamping flange sits perfectly on your angle grinder. Place your flap disc on the angle grinder so that the clamping flange is sitting on the same level as your flap disc. Your round nut has two sides, the flat side and the raised side. In this case, we are going to place the flat side against your flap disc so that the raised side is facing up. Gently tighten it with your fingers as you press the red button. And then go ahead and take the tool that comes with your angle grinder and you're going to tighten it a little bit further. And that's how you install the flap disc on your angle grinder. To uninstall it, simply do the reverse. Press the red button and untighten the round nut to release the flap disc. Always remember to replace the round nut so you don't lose it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.